Hello everyone, I am Twinkle. We are continuing our chapter number 2 in biology, that is reproduction in plants and animals. So yesterday we have seen what do you mean by reproduction, what are the types of reproduction, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction, what do you mean by sexual reproduction, what do you mean by asexual reproduction. All those things we have yesterday seen, and I have told you what are the types of asexual reproduction exhibited by the plants also. And before going to the details of the asexual reproduction in plants, we have to know the asexual reproduction generally. What are the types of asexual reproduction generally? There are so many organisms, other than plants, are undergoing asexual reproduction. So the main types of asexual reproduction are binary fission, budding, fragmentation and spore formation. Spore formation is also known as sporulation. Okay, so what are they? Binary fission, budding, fragmentation and spore formation, or it is also known as sporulation. So we are going to look at binary fission. So what is binary fission? It is a mode of asexual reproduction. Okay, and in this binary fission, the individual divides into two identical daughter cells. Okay, binary means what? Bi means two, fission means division. So binary fission is a mode of reproduction in which the parent organism is going to divide into two, and the new organism or the new formed cells, we are calling it as daughter cells. So we are getting two daughter cells after binary fission. Okay, so when the parent organism is dividing into two, firstly the nucleus of the organism is dividing. Okay, I will explain with one example. The bacteria is one organism which is undergoing binary fission. This is a picture of a bacteria. Okay, and here the nucleus, you can see the nucleus means the DNA, the genetic material will be there at the center. So firstly the genetic material or the nucleus is going to be divided first. So the cell is preparing for the division here. Okay, and afterwards the DNA or the genetic material is going to be divided into two, and followed by the cytoplasm is also going to be divided, and finally it is going to be separate, and we are getting two individuals or two daughter cells. Okay, this is how the bacteria is undergoing binary fission. This is the method of binary fission. Okay, and the other type of asexual reproduction is budding. The second type is budding. Here the parent organism forms a small bud-like outgrowth on its body. Okay, so which one is the organism which is undergoing the budding will form an outgrowth on its body, and afterwards that outgrowth will continue its growth, and when that outgrowth when it attains its full growth, it is going to be detached from the parent body. Okay, I will explain that with the yeast. This is an yeast cell, and you can see that an outgrowth is forming on the yeast cell, and afterwards it is going to be continue its growth, and it is somewhat bigger in size. Okay, means it is undergoing more growth, and it develops another individual like, and afterwards the division is going to be, or the growth is going to be complete, and it is going to be detached from the parent yeast cell. So we are getting two yeast cells here. Okay, this is how the budding is undergoing. And another example for budding is hydra. Hydra is an aquatic organism. Here one hydra will be here, and it is forming an outgrowth, and this outgrowth is going to grow again, and it is continuing its growth. When this outgrowth attains its complete growth, it is going to be detached from the parent plant, and we are getting two hydras here. This is how the budding is undergoing. Okay, and the next types of asexual reproduction that we are going to discuss in the next video. Thank you.